Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I am back with the video before 2020 ends. So I know I have not posted the video since I think June, and there were a lot of things going on why I was not able to post the video. I was about to post the video and I did not. So starting off in June 2020, whatever happened with Sushant, and things were going very bad. So as soon as I was supposed to post the video, news broke out. So I was impacted a lot with that news. So because of that, I did not film a video for about I think a month, and I did not post the previous videos as well. Think why I stopped posting the video, because it impacted me a lot. And after that, when I tried to post the video, my software got corrupted and I was not able to edit the videos, and then I was moving from one place to another. A lot of things were going on, so that is why I was not able to post any video. I was not regular on YouTube. So if you have missed me, thank you for that. And if you have not, then you should have missed me. Could have motivated me to do a lot of work and to be regular on YouTube. But yes, I got messages from friends, upload the video or things like that. So thank you for that. Thank you for motivating me. So here I am. I promised myself, like, before 2020 ends, I have to post a video on YouTube and I have to be regular. That was my promise to self. So I think I have accomplished that and I have posted a video on YouTube. I hopefully post this video before 2020 ends. So talking about today's video, this video is kind of a glam up look for New Year party or for New Year Eve. I wanted to try a little bit of glam up look, and I wanted to come back on YouTube with a makeup look, which I like to do. So here I am back again with this makeup look. I hope you enjoy watching my tutorial. I hope I will be regular now. So this is my 2021 resolution, that I have to be consistent with whatever I am doing in my life. I have to be consistent with whatever it is. Like, if it is YouTube, if it is any other thing, I have to be consistent. So that is my 2021 resolution, and I hope I completed. That was a little introduction which I wanted to do. So without further blabbering, let's get started with the video. With the makeup look today, so the primer which I'm going to use now is by NELF. So this is the primer which I'll be using. This is already over, but I don't have any other option, because the primer which I was supposed to use, it is with my sister, that is by Maybelline. So I will be working with this primer. If there is any product left, so let's use this one. Primer is the very important step. So always use primer, whichever primer you have, always use your primer. Foundation which I'm going to use is by L'Oreal Paris. This is their infallible foundation in the shade 108 Caramel. So this says that it is up to 24 hours foundation. It has demi matte finish and it is oil free. Plus it is a very lightweight foundation. Already tried it once. The best part is this is the oil control foundation. So obviously this is a matte foundation. So I have a T-zone oily. So that is why I like to use the matte foundation. So let's try this. So the thing is, I bought this foundation online, like from Nykaa, and I was not sure about the shade, so that is why I purchased the small size. Now I would think of buying the bigger one, because bigger one retails for around 1250. So I didn't want to like spend the money and then getting the wrong shade. I think this is a lot of product, so let's blend it. Okay, so you might feel like this shade is a little lighter, but once it is set, it matches with my skin color. I think I need to learn how to blend foundation with the beauty blender. I'm very bad in that, so I'm switching to my brush.
I kept foundation for the longer period of time, so it kind of got dried on my face, so that is why it was giving me hard time to blend. So do not do that. Always blend your foundation as soon as you apply it on your face. So I'm just using beauty blender so that if there is any excess foundation which is left onto my face, that can be picked up and the base is set very nicely.
Now I'm going to use the color corrector. This is by NY Bay. So this is in the orange shade. Darker skin tone, you need to use the orange color corrector. So I'm just going to apply it here. I am not a fan of cream products because I feel like they move the product which I've applied underneath. So I don't have any other option, so I'm just going to use this one. I have pigmentation wherever there is a shade difference. I'm just going to apply it there. So it's done. So now I'm going to use the concealer. So my favorite concealer, this is Age Rewind concealer, and this is in the shade, yeah, this is in the shade Caramel. So this is my favorite concealer. It's already over, as you can see, and there is no product left. No, I think I have to open the new one. No product. I have the new one with me, so as you can see, the packaging is a little bit different. So I have set my face using Maybelline loose fit powder in the shade medium. Trying to blend the rest of the powder onto my face. Like if your base is not set, then your makeup does not look nice. So that is why I spend a lot of time in setting up my base perfectly, because so there are no patches, nothing there. So still I am not expert, so don't judge me on that. Still I am trying to learn. This is the pencil which I am using for my eyebrows. I have never done my eyebrows, like no parlor didi, nothing. I don't go there to get my eyebrows done. So this is my natural shape. So I just follow my natural growth. I need to trim a little bit from here, but that's okay. That's done. It's the palette which I'll be using. This is by Beauty Glazed. So this is 63 colors eyeshadow palette. So I bought it, I think 3-4 months ago, but I have not used it. I have used it for like only once, I think. The first time I will be using this palette, and I'll be shooting a video with this palette. I'm with this color here, and let me tell you, this palette is super pigmented. As you can see, this is super pigmented, like a little bit of fallout, but go and buy this one. This is a huge palette with multiple colors. If you like to play around with different type of colors, you can go and buy this one palette and you'll be sorted, like I am currently. See, I told you the pigmentation is superb, so you can see yourself. This is just a one day. I'm going to take this shade. This is a little bit of darker color, like, so I'm just going to apply it onto my crease. See the difference? So that is actually what I wanted. Brush and blending it. So just buffing it out. I'll clean this because right now it looks messier, but I'll clean it later on. I'm still learning to do the eyeshadow. So my only hack, which I have already told you in my previous videos, like taking the concealer, putting it on the flat brush, and then so that is it. is the one which I'm going to use. Again, taking the flat brush. Actually, I'm going to mix the two eyeshadow, this one and I think this one. I'm just going to apply the eyeliner. So this is by Nykaa Rock the Liner Kajal. So I'm just going to use it as my eyeliner. So I'll be applied the liner. So now I'm going to do the lower lash line. So I'm using the same color which I used for my crease. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm using one of my favorite. This is by Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So and I ruined it. No worries, I'll fix it. This, which I have ruined. I'm gonna apply a little bit of eyeshadow on the top, but it's fixed. Eyes are done, so I'm just going to finish off my base, the contour first. I'm just going to use this pink eyeshadow as a blush. This is by Miss Claire. So I don't have any pink blush as such, but a little bit of highlighter by Maybelline Master Holographic Highlighter. So I love this highlighter. Ooh. The final step of using lipstick, Lakme 95 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Rose Touch. I will be using another lip color. This is by My Glam in the shade Miss Independent. So I will be using this one on the top of it. Sometimes dries out your lips as well. So this is completely matte. This is the final look, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching my tutorial. If you did, do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button below and leave down your comment. So this was my kind of a glam up look for New Year. If you want, you can try this makeup and just let me know how is the look and what all can be done in order to improve it. So I am not a pro at all, but yes, your suggestions are always welcome. So do let me know. I hope you have enjoyed watching my tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys. Happy New Year. Stay safe, stay indoors till the time you can. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful New Year ahead. Thank you.